the I12 TWS versus Apple AirPods. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, I will be looking at the I12 TWS versus Apple AirPods. These can be an Apple alternative for a fraction of the price, which will give you the look and feel. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. I've done a complete unboxing of the AirPods in my previous videos, which I have included in the description below. These are the I12 TWS earphones. Inside, it comes with the user guide and Lightning to USB charging cable. The packaging is the same size, and the only thing you will notice is that the I12 box is slightly lighter. Comparing the charging case, the AirPods on the left and I12s on the right. They are almost identical. The AirPods case do have a slightly brighter glossy finish. And here on the bottom, you can see the Lightning port. On the Apple side, you can see the manufacturer markings, and the I12 on the right is blank. They both have the button on the back. Opening the lid, you will see that both have the LED status indicator in the middle. And the top doesn't feel loose at all. It opens just like the AirPods. And now just a brief spec comparison. The AirPods have 5 hours of listening time, more than 24 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 4.2, double tap to access controls. The charging case uses the Lightning adapter, and it's not sweatproof or waterproof. The I12s have 4 hours of listening time, roughly 20 plus hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, tap controls for access, Lightning adapter for the charging case, and it's IPX6 water resistant. The I12s feels just slightly lighter than the AirPods, and you can see that each earphone has the marking for right and left on the bottom. It's very similar in look, and it's really hard to tell. One thing to note is that there is an LED light that will flash for pairing on each of the stem. It does not go on while it's in use. So here's a side-by-side comparison. You can see the differences with the AirPods and I12s, and it's very slight. The AirPods have a slimmer stem, and the metal contacts are smaller compared to the I12s. The AirPod case comes in at 1.7 by 2.1 by 0.8 of an inch. The I12s come in at 1.7 by 2.1 by 0.8 of an inch as well. The AirPod is about 1.6 inches long, and the stem is about 0.23 of an inch in thickness. The I12s is about 1.5 inches long, and the stem is about 0.26 of an inch. Now looking at the weight, the AirPod case comes in at 39 grams. The I12 case comes in at 23 grams. The AirPods come in at 8 grams, and the I12 earphones come in at about 7 grams. So here are my final thoughts, and this can be subjective. For the AirPods, comfort, I give it a 5. It just fits well and you can wear it for long periods of time. Build quality, I give it a 5. It feels solid all around. Sound, I give it a 4.5. Lows are just enough. Don't expect heavy bass. Mids and highs are very clear, and overall sound is just balanced throughout. For the I12s, I give it a 5 for comfort, as the form factor is identical to the AirPods. It's very comfortable in the ear. Build quality, a 3.5. The AirPods will have to take this one as it feels more solid. Sound, I give it a 4. The I12s have decent lows, comparable to the AirPods. Mids and highs feel a little bit flat. It kind of gets washed out with the lows at times. But overall, the sounds are acceptable. So now you see the AirPods on my right ear and the I12s on my left. It is very difficult to tell the difference by just looking at them. I think these are perfect for those that want an alternative to the Apple AirPods and want that Apple look. They come in at a fraction of the cost and perform well. But if you have the extra money and are a dedicated fan of Apple products, then the AirPods, in my opinion, should be your option. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.